Have you ever felt like you're moving a mountain without ever leaving your desk? You want to start, you want to create, but your mind freezes before your hand can even move. It's a quiet, invisible weight that slowly builds up until it occupies your entire space. Welcome to the Overthinking Loop, a maze where every turn leads right back to where you started. Hours pass by like minutes, leaving you utterly exhausted from a battle no one else can see. The longer you sit and plan, the heavier your feet feel, anchoring you to your own comfort zone. A storm of endless questions starts to cloud your vision, making even the simplest choice feel impossible. You stand at a crossroads, paralyzed by a terrifying phrase, "What if I fail?" So you build a wall of doubts, brick by brick, convincing yourself that you are simply not ready yet. Trapped inside your own perspective, you watch the world move forward while you remain entirely stuck. It starts the same way. The initial crash, the total deflation after realizing you're trapped, feels crushing. You might even find yourself right back on the floor, hiding. But something is different now. Once you stop hiding from the tangle, you can finally start looking at it. You might find it's not as scary as you thought. The first step isn't finishing, it's just making a mark. Any mark. A messy mark is better than a blank page. You don't have to navigate the entire maze in one go. Sometimes you just need to understand one corner. Overthinking isn't a flaw, it's just misdirected energy. You can take that energy and use it to drive a better engine. You always had the power to free yourself, but you had to stop pulling and start thinking to find the right tool. 1,000 questions are overwhelming. One clear focus is progress. The unknown will always be there asking, what if? But when you have a map, you have a direction. The barriers that define your limits are just steps. They give you leverage. They prove you are capable of climbing. The door was never locked. You just had to stop worrying about what might be on the other side and actually open it. Stepping out of the loop doesn't mean your thoughts disappear. It means they finally find alignment. The path ahead isn't suddenly perfect, but it is clear, and it is entirely yours to walk. That overwhelming energy you used to fear is the exact same power that now fuels your creativity. You can look back at your old doubts not with anger, but with gratitude for what they taught you. Clarity isn't found by rushing to the end. It's found by allowing yourself to just breathe in the present. The weight is gone, the air is lighter, and the mental fog has completely cleared away. Every small action you take from this moment on leaves a real, permanent mark on your reality. You are no longer trapped in the draft phase of your mind. You are finally writing your own story. The horizon is wide open, and for the first time in a long time, you are truly ready for it. Stop thinking about the entire mountain. Just take the first step. You've got this.